Hey guys, it's Kevin from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Alright, so today we're going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 41. This is the model number 126303. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Alright, so the dial configuration I have in my hand here is the champagne dial. Of course, the sunburst style. As you can see, as the light tilts, you can see the reflection of the dial sort of just gleaming in the different portions of it. The dial style, as I said, champagne index. Of course, doing a Datejust as a dress watch. There's also numerous different configurations specifically for this Datejust watch. So if you're not a big fan of the champagne, but you do like the beautiful luminous hour markers fashioned in 18 karat white gold, you can also get it in a silver, black, or white dial. Or if you're not interested in the index style, you want to be a little more special, you can get it in the Roman numerals, and that only comes in a special green style Roman numeral hour markers. And for a more luxurious option, you can also get diamond hour markers in place of these index hour markers in a champagne or black dial. And of course, mother of pearl options with diamond hour markers are available, of course, for a higher retail pricing. And you can get that in the white mother of pearl. Alright, so besides that, a Datejust is always just a Datejust. We have the hour markers with the date window at the 3 o'clock position, Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. We have the Rolex crown logo in the 12 o'clock position, and the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust name right underneath that as well. So Datejust, very simple but very beautiful watch. As we move on to the bezel now, bezel is just a smooth bezel, and that's completely 18 karat yellow gold, and it's nicely high polish. As we move on to the lugs, we move on to the case now, you can see the lugs are nicely high polished as well in conjunction with that bezel. So nice high polish that sort of borders and encases that high polished bezel. And even the start of the center link on the bracelets are nicely high polished as well. So bringing a lot of shine, a lot of nice gleaming look to the face of the watch, so very, very eye-catching. As the name states, it is the Datejust 41, so this watch is a 41 millimeter in diameter watch. From my index finger to my thumb here, that's 41 millimeters in diameter. From the side of the case, we can see a nice profile, high polish on the stainless steel of the casing, as the case is made out of stainless steel, and that's 9040 steel that Rolex uses in-house made steel that has additional corrosion resistance and a nicer shine to it. The profile isn't too large, specifically for the Datejust 41. It is a continuation from the Datejust line from the Datejust 2 that was previously discontinued for the Datejust 40 to make way for these Datejust 41s. They've actually slimmed down the bezel and the casing towards the lugs to make it much thinner, so much more uniform, nice proportionate view overall for the watch. But if you do like the larger versions, you can still probably get the used versions of the Datejust 2 as well, and those, like I said, the changes are of the bezel and the case itself, which have a more larger style casing, larger style bezel on the old models. This is nice, sleek, and slimmed down for the wrist, so proportions are absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the crown functions now. So the crown is a twin lock double waterproofness system that unwinds counterclockwise as shown. And the standard position is where you can wind the watch. About 15 to 20 clockwise winds is all you need to get the watch started from a dead stop. Tugging the crown out to the next position will allow you to adjust the date. You can see how easy it is for me to adjust the date instantaneously just by going clockwise. Pulling the crown out to the final position will stop the second hand and allow you to set the time to precise time settings, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds while adjusting the hour and minute hand however you like. Pressing the crown back in will start that second hand once more, and always make sure to screw the crown nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep the watch water resistance for the water resistance of 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now. The bracelet is an oyster style bracelet, which is a 3-piece link bracelet. Nicely satin finish on the outer of the 3-piece links, and nice high polish of the 18 karat yellow gold straight down the middle. Even continues through the clasp. You can see that whole patterning throughout. On to the other side, you can see starting from the first link as well, the nice tapering to keep that nice proportional look overall from the front to the back. If you're not interested in the oyster style bracelet, the Datejust 41 also comes in a Jubilee style bracelet, which wasn't shown on the previous model, the Datejust 2. So the Datejust 41s have been updated with a Jubilee style bracelet as well. But of course, the Jubilee style bracelet is a 5-piece link style bracelet, so we do have those links to those online as well. You can take a look at the difference between the two bracelets. For the clasp here, we have a beautiful oyster style, the oyster style clasp with the Rolex logo embossed on there. It opens up. It is just a simple folding oyster. Opens up as so, and there is the Rolex name, nicely engraved onto that high polished clasp blade. So that's how the watch looks, completely opened up. You can see the clasp, nicely curved and hidden behind the bracelet to fit that overall, to fit very nicely underneath the wrist as well. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the movement now. The movement is housed in the simple oyster case backing that has a nice high polished bordering around it. The movement itself is an updated movement. It is Rolex's in-house made 32-35 caliber movement. It is a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. Has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day. And that's actually within Swiss specs. So at the 6 o'clock position here, we actually can see that they have the superlative chronometer certification. That's them boasting about that precision that I've mentioned. The functions of the movement is simply just the hour, second, and minute hands with the instant changing of the date and stopping the seconds hand, as I've shown you with the crown functions. The oscillator is a paired magnetic blue paracomb hairspring, but what they added to the 32-35 movement from the update of the 31-35 is that they've added a high performance Paraflex shock absorbers, which is an in-house made shock absorbers by Rolex that they claim to absorb 50% more shocks than the industry standard KIF shock absorbers that they used to use. The power reserve of this watch is 70 hours now, so you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Now let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So locate once again that folding oyster, pops open nice easily, closes easily as well, and there we are. Beautiful champagne dial. Just simple index hour markers. I did forget to mention the index hour markers are luminous for up to 8 hours, so you have visibility in the dark and during the day as well. It's because that 18 karat the fashioning of 18 karat yellow gold will pop during the daytime, and then that luminosity kicks in during the night. So very beautiful, beautiful usage of the dial. And you can see the oyster bracelet all the way around. Very nice underneath. I do have an average man size wrist, which is 7-inch wrist. You can see there's still a little bit of room. Standard Rolex sizing for bracelets is 7.5 inches. Okay, so if you like this watch and you're interested in purchasing this model or any other models for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.